Craving for a nice curry katsu meal but don't have time to cook? May mga times na ang daming ganap at wala nang time magluto. Good thing I discovered Easy Meal. They offer complete set meals with ulam, rice, veggies, and dessert. Oh ha, nice discovery, diba? Their curry katsu is good. Thick but tender cut of meat. This is one of my family's favorite foods and legit ang lasa ng Japanese curry sauce. It comes with achara din, which I like kasi hindi masyado maasim. It comes with a dessert lumpia with filling na ube, and yung yellow is sweet potato yata. So good! The next I've tried is their pork binagoongan set meal. I usually don't like this dish kasi naaalatan ako sa bagoong. But itong timpla ng Easy Meal, sakto lang. Masarap yung sauce and malambot yung pork. Yung daughter ko yung nakaubos nito kasi sobrang nagustuhan niya. Easy to eat daw. This is their beef fajitas. Ganitong type ng dish yung gustong-gusto naman ng son ko. Ground beef siya na may mild taco flavor. Hindi salty and hindi overpowering yung flavors, which I like. Bagay na bagay dun sa yellow rice. Sobrang like namin yung dessert na kasama sa bento na to. It's mochi with cheese inside. Grabe, kulang pa yung 2 pieces sa akin. Next naman is yung braised pork set. Yung cut ng pork nito is like yung sa mga ramen. Very soft and flavorful. I really enjoy this with the rice. It came with cucumber slices and dessert lumpia too. And the last is chicken teriyaki. Ito yung second favorite ko sa mga set meals na na-try namin. Look how appetizing this dish is. The teriyaki glaze is so delicious at yung chicken is thick and tender din. Gustong gusto ko rin yung spicy coleslaw na kasama. Ang sarap niya. Ang sarap pala ng coleslaw pag nilagyan ng spicy flavor. And dessert lumpia din yung kasama sa set meal na to. Super busog kami sa mga set meals ng Easy Meal. Ang dali pang umorder. You can order via burpcentral.com, Grab, or Foodpanda.